Energy conservation is the true solution. Conserve energy to prevent future. Good morning, dear students. Today I, Radhika Kedia of Class 7B, is here to conduct today's assembly on Energy Conservation Day. Now I would like to invite Ms. Deepika ma'am to enlighten us about energy conservation.
Thank you, Radhika. So, yes, Energy Conservation Day. Since 1991, the National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated every year on 14th December all over India. In recent times, the emphasis on conservation of energy in the long run through sustainable sources of energy has picked up steam. So yes, now question arises why it is celebrated. So the Bureau of Energy Efficiency implemented the Energy Conservation Act in India in 2001 and aims at raising awareness among the general people about the importance of conservation of energy. So now steps to conserve energy, how we can conserve energy. We can conserve energy in number of ways like switching off appliances like heater, cooler, fans, light when not in use. Use CFLs and LEDs instead of the normal bulbs. And many more ways are still we are having to conserve energies. More will be enlightened by our kids on this by their presentation. So thank you so much. Over to you, Radhika.
Now I would like Now I would like to invite Khushi to enchant Gayatri Mantra.
Join your hands and close your eyes. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimani Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvuvasvaha Tatsavidurvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimani Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhurvuvasvaha तत्सविदुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात् धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Bhumisha for our English prayer song.
Good morning, everyone. It's time to sing English prayer. God love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. Oh, oh, wonderful love. God's love. It's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful, God's love. It's so wonderful, oh, oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. So high, you can't get over it. Oh, oh, wonderful love. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. So deep, you can't get under it. Oh, oh, wonderful love. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, oh, wonderful love. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Dhi for our English prayer.
Good morning, everyone. I, Dhir Krishna, is now going to speak English prayer. Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where tireless striving stretches its arms towards perfection. where the clear stream of reason has not lost its way into the dreary desert, sand of dead habits, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever widening thought, action, into the heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Chevy for the pledge.
Good morning, all of you. Take pledge position. India is my country, and all Indians are my brother and sister. I love my country, and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall always give my parents, teachers, and elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite Bakshish for thought of the day.
Good morning. Today's of the day is positive or negative energy is exchanged like a fair trade. The more you give, the more you receive. I repeat my thought positive or negative energy is exchanged like a fair trade. The more you give, the more you receive. Thank you.
Wow, what a refreshing thought. Now I would like to invite Prikshit for today's headlines.
Good morning, everyone. Today's news headlines are national news. Today is 19th day of farmers' protest. The protest is full on fire. On 20th of December, 3,172 students will give NMMS exam. Some COVID-19 news. COVID-19 cases in India are 98.5 lakh. More than 30,000 new cases are reported. Now some international news. Antitrust case is filed on Facebook. If lose the case, the company will have to sell WhatsApp and Instagram. News for school campus. Our school is going to conduct its first pre-board exams for class 10th and 12th from today. All the best students. Thank you and have a nice day.
Now I would like to invite Mrityunjay for presentation.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Mrityunjay Kaushik, and today I am going to give presentation on the topic Energy Conservation Day. When and why it is celebrated. National Energy Conservation Day is celebrated every year by the people all over the India on 14th of December. The Bureau of Energy Efficiency is a constitutional body which comes under Government of India and helps in the development of policies and strategies in order to reduce the energy use. How it is celebrated? It is celebrated by switching off lights and extra electrical appliances, for example, television, fans, ACs, etc. On this day, we use the energy and electricity generated by the sun, wind, and water, etc. Benefits of energy conservation. Through energy conservation, we save our money when we save energy. We reduce pollution when we save energy. We save our energy when we save energy. Thank you for watching. अरे यार
Now I would like to invite our respected principal ma'am to acknowledge us about energy conservation.
Good morning, DPS. At Special Assembly presented by Class 7th on National Energy Conservation Day. I've been noticing that many days we are celebrating different days like the National Pollution Control Day, Environment Day, Earth Day, Anti-Pollution Day, and today is the Energy Conservation Day. All these days are directed towards a certain path which is guiding us for anyhow preventing the Mother Earth from deteriorating. Every now and then we hear the news that the pollution level is increasing, there is a lot of climatic change in the whole environment. And this downfall is because of we people not taking care of our environment. And this is high time, this is the need of the hour, that we need to conserve energy. And if we, whatever energy is conserved is energy saved. And this should be incorporated in each and every one's individual's behavior. When it goes down to your behavior, it goes down to your habit, and only then these small efforts can bring about big changes. When things are not, appliances are not in use, you should switch them off. You should carpool, like from tomorrow onwards when we start with our pre-board exams, the students can collaboratively come. Instead of every individual parent dropping his or her word, they can just pool in certain transportation. And this way we can conserve energy. Small steps should be taken at every level, at every individual's level, so that we can conserve energy. And this is how we spread awareness that this is the need of the hour and we need to act on it, otherwise it'll be too late. And as it was shared in the news itself, campus news, that we start with the pre-board exam. This is the first physical exam we're going to conduct after a long time, sorry. It means that we are going to conduct it after first time in this academic session of 2021. And I wish all the students all the best. They need to prepare well and they need to sit and write these exams from today. When they write the exams, they need to utilize those 15 minutes where they have to carefully go through the paper, read the paper, and then prioritize the answers the way they're going to attempt. Don't decorate your paper, but highlight all the important points. Just think the evaluator on the other side is not knowing anything. You need to explain the things, but explain the things to the point, right? Revise your paper well. Don't leave anything. There's no negative marking in the board papers, no negative marking in the pre-boards as well. So you need to write whatever you know with clarity, but see whatever you know, you write it first, and whatever you are doubtful about, you can give it a second priority. So prioritize your paper, revise your paper, highlight the important points and present it well. And of course, do revise before submitting the paper. So my best wishes goes to all the students appearing for the pre-boards, that is for 10th and 12th, who are going to appear for the boards. And this is one step for preparation of the boards. So it is mandatory for all, and everybody should come and attempt the paper, should write the paper, and wishing you all the best. And yes, of course, it is the Energy Conservation Day. Do remember these behavioral changes we need to bring in ourselves to bring about this big change. Thank you from my side. Over to you, Radhika.
Now it's time for National Anthem.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, start.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 जय